to see something pretty? We're going to cook that today on the grill, whole. I think what we're going to do, we're not just totally decided yet. We're thinking about splitting it all the way down, butterflying it, skin side down, grill it, smoke it, obviously season it up real nice. We'll be cooking that. BJ's preparing the shrimp.
Some pretty monster
That is
shrimp.
a good looking shrimp right there.
Smells good too. It don't smell like, smells like the ocean.
Oh yeah, that's good and
That's
fresh.
what you want right there.
Got the silver stag filleting knife out.
It's a big old pretty shrimp.
It's a nice shrimp. I'm getting ready to start cutting some tomatoes and cucumbers and whatnot for a salad. It was called a Peruvian salad? I don't know, just something we looked up. We looked it up on the internet. Some red onion. We've got tomatoes fixing to go in there. So the recipe calls for dill. We have some fresh dill. It does not call for rosemary, but we're going to chop a little bit of rosemary in it. And the recipe did not call for cilantro, but we are most definitely going to put some cilantro in it. Then we will put some salt, pepper. You see we have the tomatoes in there now. Put some salt, pepper, olive oil. We'll squeeze one lime in there, put it in the fridge, let it sit 45-ish minutes. That's going to be on point. Fresh ground peppercorn. This is, believe it or not, that is called volcanic salt. This is fresh salt from a volcano. This will help cook that onion just enough. I was gonna put a whole one, but I might not. I think that's gonna be it. A little bit of olive oil, love. We're gonna stir that up, and that's gonna be it. Hang on, let me get a...
It looks and smells amazing.
Look at that.
Fresh little salad.
Fresh, fresh, fresh. Oh yeah.
That's that throat. I like to clip it here.
Uh-huh.
And then, well, when you fillet it, you just clip it here because all that meat's missing. And you take all this, basically that whole part right there off. And it looks like a little, it's like a little saltwater bird. Let's see. Cheek meat right there. They got big old scales on them too. Right there on the back too, they always like to get. That's gonna be some good eating right there.
Oh yeah, it is.
No, it is. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna butterfly this red snapper. We're gonna take all these ribs and spine out and just leave the fillet, and we're gonna cook it whole.
We want some good seasoning to get.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Get up in the head of it.
Oh yeah. Now we're talking, baby. Oh yeah.
Look at that bad boy.
Yeah, we need to take and
Cut that right there. And that thing is gonna be ready for the smoker.
just like so. Just come off that one side and let her lay.
Look at that.
Yeah, we just got to clean her up a little bit.
Yep, clean that up.
Let's get these gills out.
Throw those gills away.
Wash her down real good. So, all right, we have butterflied a red snapper for the first time.
We cut all the bones out of it. This will have to lay flat.
That's the inside. We ain't
Cleaned
wasting anything of this bad boy.
I think we could have done that a little different, but you know, hey.
Oh, it'll lay flat. We'll make sure she.
We're gonna lay it flat on the grill, on the smoker.
We're gonna season her up here real good.
We'll lay it flat on the smoker just like that. We're gonna cook that backbone.
That's a lot of meat there too.
Yeah, we'll pick the meat off of that as a little snack.
Absolutely.
Man, that's gonna be some kind of good. BJ's getting ready to boil some shrimp. He's got lemon in there. He's got salt, sugar.
The brine is ready.
The fish. Has rosemary, cilantro.
We can pop that on the grill.
Some kind of, what is this stuff right here?
Pesto.
Pesto, rustic basil, Italian garlic. With some other seasons, he put garlic powder, he put complete, he put salt, pepper. I think I already said rosemary and cilantro. This is going to be phenomenal.
Oh my god.
That's about to go on the smoker for, I don't know, an hour?
Yeah, roughly. We'll see.
There's the backbone. We're going to lay it directly on the grill. We're going to cook the fish in this pan.
Yeah.
It's happening, folks. Shrimp are going in.
Taking a bath.
Gonna make a shrimp cocktail. We should make a homemade cocktail sauce one time. As much as we're eating
it's not
this.
that hard. Just horseradish sauce, ketchup, and onion powder, and garlic, and whatnot. Get on in there and take a bath.
Look at him turn red.
She's hot.
Here we go. We got our
Brisket's getting really close. Let's drag her over to one side.
that brisket came off of our cow at property. It's not a very big brisket, but yeah, throw that joker right. Yeah,
Right on the heat there.
absolutely.
And then that magical guy right there can sit over by the
I think
smoky side.
Yeah, brisket's at 176.
You could probably wrap that brisket soon.
Wrap it up tight real
Wrap it
soon.
up tight. Probably put a little bit
Put some
of
butter in it.
some butter or some. You could put beef broth in there too.
Yep.
That'll be
Here is BJ's boiled shrimp. Man, those things are monsters.
They do look good, don't they?
We had the first batch of those.
Ashley got the first batch of taters.
They're pretty good.
Of course, I've already eaten one.
I'll try one of those. Just to see. Tater.
It's good, ain't it?
It's like a hash brown.
Potato, like a potato pancake. French onion.
It's good. Let's go in for one of these bad boys.
Austin, get one, son.
Oh yeah.
Get one, 3 chains.
It's like Red Lobster, but better.
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
It's like Red Lobster, but good. What do you think about it?
We should
Fire. All right, BJ has the lobster prepped. Pretty cool in my opinion. Shell on, but they're pulled out of the shell and basically sitting up on top of the shell. So next he's going to season them with, I'm sure, all sorts of goodness, all sorts of love. Then they're going to go on the grill. What are you having that?
So what we got here is a little bit of butter. We got a little bit of this complete seasoning and a little bit of garlic. And now we're gonna
You got that in there?
a little tiny bit of pesto, absolutely. Yep.
We're gonna cut up a little bit of rosemary and a little bit of thyme. And that's gonna be your butter sauce for basting when this is cooking.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we'll let that cook for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then we'll come in and drizzle some of that right over the top of it. Well, here we go, folks. Get that amazing looking fish. And then we're gonna take these bad boys and go 1, 2,
Man.
on the floor, baby. Look at that. Look at that spread, folks. If that don't make your mouth water, I don't know what that's done for sure.
Let's leave it on there. I mean, we know it's done, but
it ain't gonna hurt nothing.
let's char that meat good, and then we'll eat it as a, you know, just a flaky, charred meat.
Oh yeah.
That'll be good. That's how you do it right there. You just pull it apart and frickin' eat it.
Cheers.
Right out of the bone.
Right off of there.
Mm-hmm. That's good stuff. Ah, gum. We should eat like this every day. That's got to come off.
That's done.
Yeah, that's got to come off. Those are
that goodness. If you could only smell, folks at home. There's a little bit too.
We gotta bring that off of there. That's gonna come out like Neil.
Oh, she done?
Look at all the freaking oil and liquid in there that did not go to waste. That's
Omega-3.
well, BJ cooked them. I'm gonna cut one. There it is, coming out of the shell. Man, this thing feels good. We gotta get that last little nugget in there. Let's see. Wow.
That looks good.
Oh,
Not as good as lobster could look, doesn't it?
cut it about like that. BJ, you do the honors. Get one of them.
Man, look at that. Look at that. We'll dip in the butter herb.
I want a piece of that, and I'm not dipping. I'm not dipping. That looks too good.
It's really good. It's like a big overgrown shrimp, isn't it?
All right, BJ's made himself a plate. He's got salad, fish, lobster, but I wanted to. It's his first bite of this salad, and I wanted to see this reaction.
Can't wait.
Because
I know it's gonna be
I honestly think the salad is the best part of the whole meal, believe it or not.
With everything here.
It is so crisp and fresh. All right.
Let's try a little bit of this
Yeah,
fish
yeah,
too.
you gotta buy that fish. So that's the actual fillet inside the fillet, right? Because me and you have been picking around the edges.
Yeah, that's
We've been eating the jaw meat and the.
basically part of the fillet here in the back. We butterflied her open.
So me and you have been basically eating the jaws and the throat and
That is amazing.
around the gills, kinda. You cut the gills out of it, obviously, but
Right.
we're wasting zero of this fish other than the bone and this tail.
And that tail might even get eaten. I like crispy tail.
Yeah, we could fry it. Is it good?
It's just like a chip. It's good.
That's kind of my favorite part. I'm like a little bluegill or something too.
Absolutely. Just like a crispy chip.
Weekends at the Diesel Life compound.